The best way to crochet headband. The material needed, you need a yarn, 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. You need scissors, you need 4.5 crochet and stitch marker. Okay, let's start with our beautiful headband. After finish with your 35 chain, you are going to do a single double crochet. A single crochet. Going to make a single crochet everywhere. This is how it looks when you are finished with the second round. Now you are going to chain one. After finishing changing one, you're gonna turn your rag. You see, you don't go in the under the single crochet. You go up and you go behind the single crochet. Just watch the video very nicely. I go up on the single crochet and go behind. Yeah, this is how you are going to do all the way around, everywhere. Please don't skip anything if you want to make this beautiful headband. Okay. You will continue to do the same process. Single crochet, chain one, turn your rag, single crochet, chain one, turn your rag. And then I make 40 row. It depends to you. You can make more than 40 row or you can make moins que ça. Vous pouvez faire 14 rangs comme moi ou plus, ou bien vous pouvez faire moins que cela. Ça dépend de vous. Mais moi j'ai fait 14. if you want to know how to make the band, let me know in the comment section. I will make the part 2 to how to make the band of this beautiful headband. Thank you for watching. Bye.